How to draw an iceberg, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a squiggle line going from left to right in the center of our page. This line will help us separate the top of the iceberg from the bottom. Next, on the top side of the squiggle line, we're going to draw the outline of the top of the glacier. Keep in mind that you can draw your glacier as tall as you would like. When we're making the outline of the glacier, we're going to use a lot of sharp and straight lines to make sure that we're adding detail. And if you're new to Learn How to Draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. So now the next line that I draw will lead me to the point of the top of my glacier. From this point, I'm going to go ahead and work my way down. So as of right now, we still have that opening right below, so let's go ahead and connect this line down to the squiggle line going from left to right on the bottom. Fantastic! Now on the inside of my glacier, I'm going to go through and add some detail. If you want to do the same, then you can follow along, or you can skip ahead and do detail at the end. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way we can continue to connect with other YouTube artists just like yourself. Nice! So far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the bottom of the glacier, which will be in the water. I'm going to begin on the bottom left-hand side of the glacier. Let's keep in mind that the bottom of the glacier will be much larger than the top, because the top will appear to just be sticking out of the water. At the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now, similar to what we did on the top part of the glacier, where we added in detail, we're now going to want to do the same thing down below. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Personally, when I'm adding in detail for my glacier, I like to use a lot of long, straight, and jagged lines. I think that this will help give a more impactful look to my glacier. Would you ever like to share your drawing with me and the Learn How to Draw Hub crew? Then be sure to send an email with your drawing to learnhowtodrawhub@gmail.com. Now last but not least, I'm going to draw another squiggle line going from left to right that will connect to the one that we first drew together. This will help us make the water line. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Thank you for drawing with me today and great job. Don't forget to give this video a big like and comment your favorite drawing down below. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.